Hey there, awesome people. Ever felt like your content game needs a sprinkle of magic? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into something that's going to blow your creative socks off. Get ready to meet Writecream, the AI-powered wizard that's about to become your new best friend in content creation. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be wondering how you ever lived without it. Let's get the fun started! What is Writecream? Alright, let's spill the beans. Writecream is like that genius buddy we all wish we had in school. It's an AI-powered writing sidekick that crafts everything, from sizzling social media posts to captivating blogs. Imagine having a magic typewriter that just gets you and sprinkles a bit of stardust on all your words. Whether you're penning an email or scripting a video, Writecream's got your back, making sure your content shines bright like a diamond. So in a nutshell, it's your ticket to the content big leagues. Appsumo Writecream Lifetime Deal. While Writecream offers incredible value, the deal on Appsumo is just unbeatable. Can you imagine you will get 96% off? Oh my god, for a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Writecream for just $59. That's a massive discount from its regular pricing. Okay, folks, hold on to your hats because Writecream's pricing is about to blow your mind. Plan 1. Originally a whopping $1,440, now you can snag it for just a one-time payment of $59. You get 200 monthly credits, that's around 400,000 characters, support in over 75 languages, and those super handy content templates. Want in? Just grab one code and you're set. Plan 2. From a jaw-dropping $2,880 down to a mere $118. This plan doubles up. 400 monthly credits, a massive 800,000 characters, all the same language support and templates. Ready to level up? 2 codes and it's all yours! Plan 3, the ultimate deal. Originally at a sky-high $4,320, now just $177. Dive into. A whopping 600 credits every month, that's 1.2 million characters. The same global language support and those nifty templates. Going big? 3 codes and the magic's all yours. So whether you're dipping your toes or diving headfirst, there's a Writecream plan with your name on it. Why Neuron Writer? 5 features that set it apart. First, Grammar Guru. Ever made a typo? Same? Writecream's on it, catching those sneaky slip-ups and making sure your content's cleaner than a whistle. Thesaurus Titan. Stuck using good for the 100th time? This feature has a vocabulary bigger than a dictionary and is ready to spice up your writing life. It's word wizardry. Whether you're aiming for a tweet or a novel, keep track of your word count and hit those writing goals like a pro. Plagiarism Police. Originality is the name of the game. Ensure your content isn't just great, but also 100% unique. No copycats allowed. Idea Igniter. Writer's block? More like writer's rock. Get suggestions that'll light up your content and keep those creative juices flowing. Is Writecream right for you? Find out who it serves best! Bloggers and AMP storytellers? Copywriters and AMP ad gurus? Digital nomads? SEO enthusiasts? Podcasters and AMP YouTubers? Social media influencers? Don't miss out 10% extra discount at Appsumo. Eyeing the Writecream lifetime deal on Appsumo? Here's some spicy news. Last chance, score an extra 10% off. Follow these steps to snag an additional 10% discount. Visit the Writecream lifetime deal page on Appsumo. Wait for the pop-up discount. Enter your email address. Complete the purchase using the same email. Check your inbox for the 10% discount offer. Reviews and feedback of Writecream lifetime deal. Want to know what real users are saying about Writecream? Check out these reviews to witness the magic. Ready to redefine your content creation process? Look into the world of Writecream. Check the video description link, explore the features, and grab the lifetime deal while it lasts. If you found this guideline helpful, please hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons for more tech reviews and tutorials.